Even the birds feel it, no EBT, right? When people don't have that extra money, they don't eat out. That means they're not throwing garbage in the street. Everybody's feeling it, the brand new. Dance now. Come on, everybody. Do the Donald Trump dance. He's killing us, man. He's been inhumane all his life. It's not that he doesn't care about anybody. He doesn't even think about that. It's not even a thought. So how can he not care? Oh my good gosh. Sorry, it's still beautiful, right? You can't take that away.